Special Star Wars Spectacular, presented by Lucasfilm, also a tournament special award winner, entitled Save Our Forest. Residents of this Ewok village are on a mission to protect the forest where they live and work and play. There is an Ewok swinging. That's Joseph, the Ewok, being supported by a Melaleuca bark-covered tree. Just amazing. And there's Charlie. See the creature in the front? He's sort of a made-up animal that the folks from Lucasfilm created, and they nicknamed him Charlie. I understand also on the float we'll see R2-D2, also C-3PO, and guess what?
What?
Chewie Chewbacca, the Wookiee.
And guess what? The Star Wars Spectacular continues with the world's famous Grambling State University Marching Tiger Band. Here, folks, is a great band.
Grand Marshal George Lucas is a huge fan of the movie Drumline, so when he was asked to be involved in the parade and creating the Star Wars Spectacular, he made sure to include the best band in the land, the Marching Tigers. And right behind, you need to know about this, under the direction of none other than Darth Vader and his dancing Twi'leks. Here's a 200-member contingency of the International All-Volunteer Star Wars Costume Club, the 501st Legion.
But if you're hearing that noise, that's Grambling. They're turning it on, folks.
Boy, they know how to do that.
Man.
My goodness.
The best band ever to walk down Colorado Boulevard, as far as I'm concerned. Oh my gosh, the 501st, they came together in 1997 to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the release of the original Star Wars. It's a creation of South Carolina's Albin Johnson.
They are really a group of people that are just huge Star Wars fans.
They're groupies.
No, I wouldn't even say that. These people are dedicated to Star Wars. And I have to tell you, there is no sight quite like seeing 200 stormtroopers march down your street.
There's a bunch of guys that need to get a job.
Hey! The 501st Legion has more than 3,500 members from 22 different countries around the world. There are 21 Legionnaires from Southern California participating in today's parade.
That's really wonderful.
Now, the final segment of the Lucasfilm Star Wars Spectacular is a spot-on replica, right behind the stormtroopers, of the serene and very green Naboo, which is the garden planet. And apparently a pair of Jedi Knights provided security for 3 of Naboo's queens, one of which is former Rose Queen Ashley Moreno. They're standing atop an intricately detailed float. It's a stylized version of the capital city of Theed. I'm saying all sorts of words that you don't really understand.
No, because I'm just still watching the guys dressed in white going down the boulevard.
Do you know that Star Wars influence is so great, the word Jedi and the phrase dark side have actually been added to the Oxford English Dictionary?
I did not know that. Along with awesome.
And of course, if you want Darth Vader facts, 3 different actors played Darth Vader. James Earl Jones, of course, providing the voice. Yeah. David Prowse was the body, and Sebastian Shaw provided the face.
My little 3.5-year-old, he wanted a Star Wars book the other day. I mean, it's just a phenomenon in society.
Oh, absolutely. So there is the Star Wars extravaganza. We thank George Lucas for bringing this just a magnificent spectacle to our parade this year.
It's one of 2 Charlo teams in our parade.